Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Science, where science meets you. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. In today's video, let's discuss selection or decision making statements. We have if else, switch, nested if else if ladder, and jump statements such as break, continue, and return. If it is a most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain block of statements will be executed or not. The syntax is if condition statement to be executed is within the block. Example, int age is 20. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then system.out.println eligible to vote is an example. So now condition evaluation is true or false always, and the time complexity is O of 1. If else, if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statements in the if block. If the condition is false, it will execute the block of statements in the else block. So the syntax is if condition executes the block of if condition is true, else executes the block of if condition is false. Example, int I is equal to 14. If I is less than 10, then system.out.println I is less than 10. Else, print it as I is greater than 10. The time complexity is O of 1. Next, nested if. And nested if is an if statement that is the target of another if or else. There's if inside an if statement. Syntax, if condition 1 executes when condition 1 is true, if condition 2 executes when the condition 2 is true. Example, int I is equal to 10. First, if I is equal to 10 or I is less than 15, then it goes into the block. If I is less than 15, print it as I is less than 15. If I is less than 5, print it as I is less than 5. Else, print it as I is greater than 15. Next, if else if ladder. The statements are executed from top down. When condition controlling if is true, the statement associated with that if is executed and the rest of the ladder is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. Syntax, if condition statement, else if condition statement, so on. Finally, it is the else statement block. Time complexity is O of 1. Example, int I is 20. If I is equal to 10, print I is equal to 10. Else if I is greater than or equal to 10, print I is greater than or equal to 10. Else print I is less than 10. Next is switch. It is a multi-way branch statement. It is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Syntax, switch, expression. In the block we have case, value 1, statement 1, break. Case, value 2, statement 2, break. And so on till default, statement default. Example, int num is 10, then switch number modulus 2, case 0. The remainder is 0, then print it as an even number. If by default, you can make it as odd. So time complexity is O of 1. Jump. Java supports 3 jump statements: break, continue, and return. Break. It is used to terminate a sequence in a switch statement to exit loop. Continue. It is used to force an early iteration of a loop. Return. It is used to explicitly return from a method. In the next video, let's discuss about loops. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, upright from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching.